Muhammad Mahdi al-Modaffar.
نعم.
I have to ask you before you begin that what inspired you to have this love for the Holy Quran and recital of the Holy Book?
I was 7 years old when I got inspired by my father reciting in many places, and I realized that one day I can be like him. So I asked him one day, I was like, can you please teach me what you do? He was like, of course. So this whole time, now I'm 13 years old, so nearly 7 years, he's been teaching me, and also I want to inspire youth like my age to become world-renowned Quran reciters.
Amazing. Absolutely beautiful. And credit to your parents, credit to your father, credit to you. Which surah or section are you going to read for us tonight?
Just a section from Surah Al-Anbiya.
From Surah Al-Anbiya. Fantastic. Let's listen to this wonderful recital.
So what motivated me is that I've seen many competitions, many international, many just in the UK. But this one, I thought there was much potential in this, competing against very good reciters. It was a very good competition for me. So I thought, let me compete in this. There's nothing to lose. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وزكريا إذ نادى ربه لا تذرني فردا وزكريا رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وبناها آية للعالمين إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون صدق الله العلي العظيم صلوا على محمد وآل محمد. If I get through today, I'll be very happy, of course, and I'll put in more effort and take in the feedback that the judges gave me, and inshallah I'll do better next round.
I think Mullah's that confident that he's through that he's just like, listen, you don't need to give me feedback.
Brilliant. So, well done. I'm going to turn it now to the judges to give their feedback. Being the Quran reciter as well, say Jalal, please, if you can give your first piece of feedback for Mullah.
MashaAllah, Mohammed, Mahdi, Modaffar. Very beautiful recitation. I enjoyed when you were reciting. I was flying. I was not on the earth. Beautiful recitation. Do you know the melodies you recited?
Yeah.
How many melodies? And could you mention roughly the melodies?
Pretty sure it was 3.
What are the melodies?
It was Hijaz, it was Nahawand, and then just ended with Bayat.
Bayat?
Yeah.
You didn't recite Kurd?
Oh, sorry, yeah. Hijaz, Kurd, and then Bayat.
Some rules of recitation, especially the sifat of huruf, the qualities of letters, inshallah you'll work. But overall, you have the strength of voice very strong. Because when you started starting with maqam hijaz, it's quite difficult. Because when you go to the second level of voice, when you go to jawab and jawab, I thought that this Modaffar is not going, but you did. Because that shows the strength of your voice. I wish all the best for you.
Mullah Nazar, I would love to get your feedback.
In the beginning, some place you couldn't control your pitch, and in other place, the place which you wanted change from Hijaz to Kurd, still you lost. It's okay because you are 13 years old, and as I said, it's very critical age. I believe that what are you doing is very beautiful, and you will be better than this. Yeah. In general, mashallah. MashaAllah, beautiful recitation, and very good that we start our program with Quran, especially with you.
If I didn't make it today to the next round, I wouldn't feel sad, I wouldn't feel anything, because I would just say there are good competitors against me. There are many youths that are here to recite and to serve Allah, and I have no problem with that if I don't make it and they do.
Yeah, look, I'm 3 times your age and I envy your voice. But a positive envy, of course. Your voice is amazing. You're a source of pride. You have a wonderful gift. And I love the fact that you haven't really picked a chapter of the Holy Quran that is necessarily the easiest. You could have easily gone to Juz' Amma, the 30th. You could have picked one of the surah, which are a bit easier to get through. But you picked Anbiya. You know, 21. It's quite early in the Quran. And I love that. I love that bravery. I love the fact that you want to, you're comfortable at any recital. And the fact that these two are looking at you and saying that this maqam and that maqam, and you're 13, I wait for a day where I can download all of your surah of the Quran. So you were fantastic. Well done. Well done.
For me, you've humbled me. I mean, I think this was a phenomenal choice. You're the perfect choice to start this show, mashallah. Your confidence spoke to me. Like Sayyid Ammar said, in front of these two, to have that kind of confidence, I think it would be absolutely criminal if we didn't move you forward. Mashallah, mashallah.
It means to me just serving Allah and the Shia community by reciting the Holy Quran. It purifies my soul. I feel very calm when I recite the Holy Quran.
For every episode, we're going to have a special guest, special judge. that'll also give their recommendations and feedback. And so we're joined today, and honored to be joined by Al-Hajj Mustafa Masood.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for inviting me. It's an honor to be part of the Shia Voice. I'm biased about Muhammad Mahdi al-Modaffar because I love him and I know his father and he's from my city, Najaf. So I'm going to be biased if you ask me about him. But I won't add anything else to what the respected judges have mentioned. I wish him all the best. And I'm sure that Muhammad will go further in this competition. All the best, Habib Muhammad.
If I won that money, of course, most of it, to be honest, would go to my family, and most of it would go to my father because he was with me throughout this whole thing. Without him, I would not even be in this competition. So most of it would go to my family, and then maybe some would go to charity, and then I just keep it in my savings. That's it.
Thank you very much, Muhammad Mahdi Modaffar. Please, can you put your hands together for Muhammad Mahdi Modaffar? Thank you.
I'm alone, I'm in pain, I want healing. I'm afraid I'm in need to keep
Dude, man, how did you feel? How was it?
Kind of nerve-wracking at first, but
Oh,
and I just got in the mood.
mashallah.
It came out all well.
Your voice is magical, man, mashallah. That's international level recitation.
Thank you so much. Yeah, as I said, it's all come from my father, and I give all my respect for my father.
May Allah bless you. Was he here watching you today?
Yeah, he was, yeah.
What did you think about what the judges said about the controlling of the pitch of your tone?
I mean, yeah, there's always feedback and there's always something negative to say about someone, and I take that feedback in, and inshallah next time I'll improve and take that feedback into
Thank you so much. You did very well. Good job, bro. Good job.